whatever you're doing, you have a purpose and a why and an intent behind what you're doing. Some people, you might be able to make money with them, but they might not align with your purpose, right? They might not have the values that you have. Money, you can make money in all different kinds of ways. Money is a tool, right? And money is just utilized. One of my favorite verses for all any No Limit fans out there is Mac. Mac had a verse, he said, money's the root of all evil. I say only when in the clutches of the wrong people. And I live by that. Money is a tool, but in the wrong hands, it can be disastrous, right? And so if you realize that money for me is used for my purpose for good, right? Somebody else might say, well, I want to invest in your business, but they might do some things that I'm not into. So I'm not interested in taking money from you because it's connected to you with your negative energy and your negative vibes. And I'm not going to bring that in my world. So I'm not desperate for money, right? There's so many ways to get money, you see? So all money ain't good money because that negative money is attached to this negative person. And that can go for people in all walks of life. If you're young, you're a young lady, a young guy, whatever, just taking money because you need the money at that moment, you got to always consider what's connected to that money. It's strings attached to that money. There's so many ways to get money. You don't have to devalue yourself. You don't have to do something that you're going to regret. You don't have to do something that's going to make you feel small or inferior just because you need money at that point in time. Because if you really want it for a good cause or for your business or for whatever you're trying to do, just focus on the outcome and you'll attract it, and the money from the right direction will come.